The concept of first inventions can be subjective and dependent on various factors such as historical records, cultural perspectives, and the definition of an invention itself. However, here are 5 notable inventions that have had a significant impact on human history and are often considered among the earliest. Wheel. The invention of the wheel is considered one of the most important milestones in human history. The wheel, which is believed to have been created around 3500 BCE, revolutionized transportation and allowed for the development of wheeled vehicles, carts, and eventually, automobiles. Writing systems. The development of writing systems, such as cuneiform in Mesopotamia, around 3500 BCE, and hieroglyphics in ancient Egypt, marked a major leap forward in human communication. Writing enabled the recording and preservation of knowledge, facilitating the growth of civilizations. Agriculture. The shift from a nomadic hunter-gatherer lifestyle to settled agriculture is considered a pivotal development in human history. The cultivation of crops and domestication of animals began around 10,000 BC and led to the establishment of permanent settlements, the growth of populations, and the emergence of complex societies. Printing press. The invention of the printing press by Johannes Gutenberg in the 15th century had a profound impact on the dissemination of information and the spread of knowledge. The printing press allowed for the mass production of books, making them more affordable and accessible, ultimately fueling the Renaissance and the scientific revolution. Steam engine. The steam engine, developed during the 18th century, played a crucial role in the Industrial Revolution. It harnessed the power of steam to generate mechanical work, revolutionizing transportation, manufacturing, and ultimately leading to the modern era of technology and mechanization. These 5 inventions represent significant milestones in human history, shaping the way we live, communicate, and interact with the world around us.